Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I share you free tips and updates on where you can earn USDT, amazing platforms that you can back money for yourself in this 2025. So you can see in this platform that I'm about to introduce to you, One, you are earning 1 USDT by just following their official community page. When you invite 2 subordinate members, you're earning 1.20 USDT. When you invite 5 subordinate members, you are earning 5 USDT. When you invite 50 subordinate members, you'll be earning 88 USDT, and when you invite 30 subordinate members, you'll be earning 1,288 USDT. This is amazing, and this is free money that you can bag it for yourself. Very simple and easy once you're working on this platform. So this platform is very wonderful. So all you just have to do is register and start earning for yourself. Quickly, let me show you how you can register. You just have to input your email, your login password, confirm password, your security password. You can also use your phone number to register, but I prefer using email to register. So it's very simple and easy. You can also earn massively in this platform through joining their VIPs. Once you register on this platform, just click on quantify. It takes you to the interface. These are the VIPs in this platform. They have from VIP 1 to VIP 9. So all you just have to do is carefully select the VIP of your choice. Remember, the higher VIP you choose, the higher you are earning in this platform. So you just have to click on unlock and unlock any VIP of yourself and start earning daily in this platform. You can see in VIP 4, you'll be earning 900 USDT in this platform. So all you just have to do when you click on unlock is we unlock and you start enjoying massive profit, 22% profit once you are earning in VIP 4. So this is very simple and easy. All you just have to do, subscribe to any VIP of their choice and start earning daily profits and bagging a lot of money for yourself. So how to recharge in this platform? All you just have to do is click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, it takes you to the interface whereby you can recharge with any of the USDT wallets of your choice. You can recharge with your TROS, your BEP20 USDT or TRC20 USDT, and you start bagging money. Yes, you can withdraw in this platform within 2 minutes the money you have earned in this platform. All you just have to do is input your withdrawal address, the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, your security password, click on confirm. You get your money in your wallet within 2 minutes. So this is another massive way you can earn in this platform through inviting of your friends. Once you click on invite friends, it takes you to this interface. Interface is where you copy your referral link and your referral code and send it to your friends. Once you send it to them and they register with your referral link and referral code, you'll be getting a good commission in this platform. And this is all these things are going for free. The commissions is free. That's free USDT for yourself. Once you are building a team in this platform, the higher your team members, the higher profits and massive income you are making for yourself. I hope you found this video very helpful. I hope you'll start earning very soon. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up so that you'll be forced to be notified once we upload a new video. Bye.